Hi, my name is Heather Martinez, and I am a technology teacher. I am also a mother of 2 boys, 6 and 3. And so I want to take some time today and show you a little bit about educational gaming. One of the things that I really love to do with students is to play games. We live in a generation where these kids love to play games. Many of my students, by the way, I have 800, K through 5th grade, many of my students love to play games. But what I've noticed as a teacher is too often the kids just go online and click around and they don't really pay attention to what they're doing. And so it takes somebody to lead them and guide them into how we can use things educationally, how they can learn from it, and how they can review and practice using those skills. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you some different games on ABCYa. Using a computer you can get to every single game. The only thing is it does have ads in it, and that can get annoying. If you use a mobile device, there are only 6 games per week that you can use. And so I'm going to show you the free games of this week so that you can experience them. Okay, so this is ABCYa.com, and you'll see that there are free games of the week. There are 6 on mobile devices. If you're on a computer, you do have access to all the rest of these, but today we're going to focus on the 6 free ones. What I'm going to start with today is the ABCYa Storymaker. This is one of my favorite apps to use, or favorite game, I guess you can call it, to use on this website. I've been using it for about 6 years now. I love to use it with my little ones. As you can see, it says up here grades K to 2 is who it's perfect for. So let's go ahead into there and explore. So I'm going to open it up. All right, and I'm going to push the play. So when I'm ready, I'm going to go ahead and push the play button. So the first thing it's asking you to do is enter your name. So I'm going to go ahead and put my name. This is how I do all my lessons. Mrs. Martinez, that's my name. Make sure you use capital letters. All right, so you can have your child draw any kind of picture that they want, like maybe a heart. Okay, once they're done drawing, then in the bottom left-hand corner where you see all the paintbrushes, here's where you're going to tap, and you're going to see your big A, little a. Right here, you're going to click on that. Now this is where your child can write something for you. Encourage capital letters and punctuation. So I might say something such as, I love hearts. They make me think of love. I love my family. Okay, so once that's done, in which they can pick different fonts too here, they can also pick different colors if they would like. And then that same place, that bottom left-hand corner, down at the bottom you will see it looks like a mountain scene with lines under it. That is where you can see the finished drawing, and it will allow you to go ahead and print if you would like. You'll see down in the bottom right hand corner there are options for you to edit text, edit art, clear the page, delete a page, save it, which you save it as a PDF, or print it. And so then when you decide to print it, you'll have several formats. So I'm going to save as a PDF first, download it. All right, and then I'm going to go to my files. All right, here's my Storymaker. So it's by Mrs. Martinez. And then it has my story. And then I can take and send it from here to the printer. That's how easy Storymaker is.